Hey friends, Wayne over here at Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Hey, I'm gonna make this little video and clear up some confusion. Redoing these master cylinders for some clients. I just happened to cross some of the Mopar forums with all the lies and the bullshit and the guessing. I see more people putting more energy and time into that. I guess it's just to converse instead of get to the solution. So, folks are going on and on and on. I found out about the B-body master cylinders. 5621, 6821, yada yada yada. What master cylinder kits for this, what master cylinder kits for that, my uncle this and my aunt that. Well, okay. The 222 6811 came out in 67, 68. 222 6811 used on those Imperials and stuff. 1 1/8" bore, round front, flush. If you notice something about that, well, golly gee, boss, it's kind of starting to look like a Hemi master cylinder 222 9191. Yeah. Well, that's because it was the precursor. Here's the original components out of that master cylinder. You will find a 749, and I'm not going to bother with that one. Super short pistons. You notice that teacup washer on there? It's the only master cylinder that I know of Mopars and Fords got this teacup washer on the end. The only one. You slow people, the only one. So, let's cut to the chase. The MK662 master cylinder kit is for the 6811. Yeah, it's for the 6811. The MK662, this is a Chrysler part number we're talking about for everybody else, is the correct kit for the 6811. It's the correct one for the 6811. Has the shortest piston assembly that I'm familiar with. Teacup. Same height. Same build. Same quack. Same walk. It's a duct. No, it's a piston. The correct master cylinder kit for the 6811 he left off C-body and Imperial. There you go. Well, what's used in the B-body ones? You don't have to go on for 35 years on a form. It's the MK620. The MK620 is for the 2 B-body disc brake master cylinders. Casting number 5621 and casting number 6821. Left and right ports. The master cylinder kit is an MK620. What's nice about the MK620, what we used to do a long time ago, is you can steal the MK620 front piston is the same as a Hemi piston. The MK620 is the same as a Hemi front piston. Not the rear. Front. .620 piston. Shorter. Okay, there you go, my friends. God bless you. God bless America. If you need any master cylinder or booster work done, need your stuff right and lasting forever, then get it done right. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Moparing.